Alright, if you're having that problem, that annoying problem with the airbag on your Jeep Patriot, and you already checked the yellow connections underneath both of your front seats and the problem still persists, let's go ahead and replace the spring clock, because chances are that's the issue that you are having. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so first thing first, since we're gonna be working around the airbag, you don't want that to deploy it on your face. So we're gonna go ahead and unplug the battery for safety. Go ahead and remove the intake of your filter. You have these two little things that you're gonna twist and then pull out. And as you can see, we have the battery down here. This is positive, this is negative. So you should go ahead and remove the positive. That should be more than enough. But since it's me, I'm gonna go ahead and remove both. Now get to the other side and do the same thing with that bolt. Now we need to remove this bolt in the middle, and for that we're gonna be using a 13mm. Alright, so now we need to crack open this cover, and for that we're gonna be using a T20 for this little guy down here, and then we'll be using a regular Phillips screwdriver to get the other two. One is here and the other one is right here. And we have some screws holding this part. There's another one in the back, and some actual connections down here. Look at this, surprise, surprise. Another one hiding behind there. Let's go ahead and take care of that. Next one. At this point, you want to be careful with everything. Just take your time, make some notes, drink some coffee. You don't break anything. And for some reason, oh, there we go. Now you have three connections, two whites, one is black. Just make sure and you unplug those safely. Don't pull too hard from the cable. Just pull from the connector itself. Okay, this one is out. Let's move to the other one. Oh, there you go. That one is out. There you go. Okay, so this is the old one, this is the new one. All I have to do is switch everything back to the new one, or switch the new one back here, whichever way you prefer. So just put attention that you do not get this turn this side or the other side and go around. You don't want that to happen otherwise, because this is controlled by the computer, so it has to be in that position, that exact position. Do not let it go all the way around. Okay, So be careful with that. Being said, let's go ahead and replace this. Another screw right there. Totally forgot about that one. All right, make sure you don't lose it. Put it aside. All right, that's the old one. And this is the new one. Make sure you put it in place. Around those cables, around that. And I don't know if you can see, but it has like a guide. It will slide in. There you go. And remember, do not let this go around. It don't matter the direction, you don't want it to go around. Put it back. From this point, all you have to do is plug everything back where it was supposed to be, and you're good to go. Okay, let's go ahead and reconnect the battery and pray for the best. Alright, all this is done. No explosion so far.